Hey everybody, Russ Whitney here from russwhitney.com. Go visit, lots of great information there. This, I got to put on my big glasses for. My big glasses are big glasses for big dreams. I love this question, and selfishly, I love this question. It's a little long, but it goes like this. This is coming from you00882. Whatever it is. How do I make this deal work? Now, this is complicated, but I got a simple answer, so hang. I've come across a very good deal, and I don't know how to make it work. I found an apartment building, 3 houses for sale at $700,000. Okay, I need to know where that is, what area of the country you're in, to determine if that's good or bad. The apartment building has 6 one-bedroom units, 1 3-bedroom unit. It's been out of commission for 5 years. Okay, so we'll need some repairs. I think the 1-bedroom rent for $600, the 3-bedroom for $900. 2 out of 3 houses are rented now, way below market, $800 each. I think they should rent for $1,200. The last house has been empty for some time and will also need repairs, but after it should rent for $1,200 as well. The ARV of the house should be $185,000 each. This property is for sale by owner. Big one, by owner. You piqued my interest. And the live is for sale by owner. He's going to have to hold the financing as well. That's what I'm excited about. They live very far away. They won't come show the property without proof of funds. I can get an estimate of rehab costs. My exit strategy would be to sell the house, keep the apartment building for cash flow. I have about $50,000 of my own money to put this deal. How do I make it work? Okay. Let's start with this. I'm just going to send you right now, period, to go to support@russwhitney.com and put the same question in there that I answered it on this video. We can give you a proof of funds letter. We might even be interested in an investment in that. So we do a lot of syndications here and abroad, and so this might fit that bill depending on where it is. First thing you got to do is add up the rents, deduct the expenses, and see what positive cash flow would be. We need to have an estimate, contractor's estimate, or if you're handy, on what it's going to cost to repair it. Is the seller willing to hold any of the financing? If it's been vacant for 5 years, it's very likely you might get into this thing for 10% or less down payment. With the owner holding the financing, that's a big plus. No bank, no credit check, period. So there's really the answer, okay? How much is it going to cost? Will the seller take 10% or less down payment? Will they hold the mortgage? What would the payment be? Deduct the expenses, and we figure out if there's money left over. On the proof of funds, we'd be willing to help you with that depending on the deal. So hoping this is answering your question. Send it to support@russwhitney.com, and let's see if we can help you out with this one. All right.